Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss some special formulae. These are very helpful when we solve questions pertaining to algebra. We name them special products. Our first formula is a minus b into a plus b. When we multiply these two factors, we get a square minus b square. It is very important formula. Number 2, a plus b whole square. When we multiply a plus b with itself, we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. These formulae are used in both sides. Sometimes we are given this expression and we write it after simplification a square minus b square. It is called difference of squares. And sometimes we are given this form and we factorize it and we write it a minus b into a plus b. Similarly, a plus b square, after expansion it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square, and sometimes our expression is in this form and we write it in a plus b whole square. Our third formula is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Note the difference here is it is plus sign and all the terms are positive, and here it is negative sign and here product is minus. Order is plus minus plus. And fourth formula is a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Power of a decreases 1 by 1, a cube, a square, a. Here power of a is 0, a power 0 1. And power of b increases 1 by 1, b power 0, here b power 1, b square, b cube. And if we take 3ab common from these two terms, we write b cube here, and we take 3ab common from these two terms. So here a square will become a and b square will become b when we take ab common. And fifth formula is a minus b cube. The same expression but with alternate sign, positive, negative, positive, negative. We can expand these formulae using binomial theorem. I have designed already a video with the name binomial theorem and Pascal triangle. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Writing this term here and taking minus 3ab common from these two terms, we get a minus b. As I told you, these formulae are two-sided. Sometimes we are given a plus b cube and we expand it and write this expression. And sometimes solving algebraic questions, we have expressions of this form and we write them in this format. And our formula number 6 is a plus b plus c cube. It is the sum of three terms a, b, c. And when we expand it, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 product of first two ab plus 2 product of second two bc plus 2 product of first and third ca. These are very useful products, and now I solve them one by one. You should memorize these formulae. Our first formula is a minus b into a plus b. We just multiply these two expressions. We will multiply a with this expression a plus b. Now we multiply minus b with a plus b. a into a square plus ab minus ba minus b into b square. Here power of a is 1 and power of a is 1. When we multiply the terms with same base, powers are added. A square ab. Using commutative law, we can commute this term. We can write it ba as ab minus b square. And it is positive, this is negative. We get a square minus b square. So this is our first formula. Number 2, a plus b square. We can write this expression 2 times a plus b. Now we just multiply this a with a plus b. Now plus b with a plus b. We get a square a into b ab plus ba plus b square. A square plus ab. Here a, b, c are real numbers. We can commute this term. We can write it ab. ba can be written ab. Commutative law of multiplication. B square. A square ab plus ab. Its coefficient here is 1 and here is 1. It will become 2ab plus b square. And it is the right hand side of our formula number 2. Number 3, a minus b whole square. We can write it a minus b into a minus b. We multiply a into a minus b into a minus b. Here a into a square minus ab minus ba minus plus b square. A square negative ab, we commute it becomes ab plus b square. Negative ab, it will become negative 2ab. 2ab. Here coefficient is 1, which is not written, plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is very simple way of proving these formulae. This is our third formula, a minus b whole square. Now we prove formula number 4. Its left hand side a plus b cube. A plus b cube. We will write this expression 3 times, a plus b into a plus b, a plus b. We know a plus b into a plus b, it will become a plus b whole square, and we already proved it. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula is called perfect square. It is difference of squares. Now we multiply this expression with this. A into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here power of a is 1. When we multiply it with a square, we get a cube. We know when two terms with same base are multiplied, powers are added. Suppose here power is 2 and here power is 3. When we multiply these two terms, we get power 2 plus 3, a power 5. Keep in mind, in multiplication powers are added. This is a mnemonic MPA. In multiplication powers are added. We just add these two powers. Now we multiply this with this term, we get a 2a square b, and here it will become a b square. Now we multiply b with this expression, ba square plus 2ab square plus b cube. A cube, this is 2a square b, a square b, ab square. We commute this term, we get a square b, 2ab square plus b cube. Now this and this, these two terms are like terms, we can add these terms. We get 2 plus 1, 3a square b. When like terms are added, their coefficients are added just. 2 plus 1, 3. Now ab square and 2ab square, these are two like terms, and we get by adding 3ab square plus b cube, and this is the right side of our formula number 4, this. And if we take 3ab common from these two terms, we will write in this format: a cube, we write here this term, and taking 3ab common from these two terms, we get 3ab into here a plus b. This is our formula number 4. In the same way, we can prove formula number 5. Our formula number 5 is a minus b whole cube. We can write it a minus b into a minus b square. 2 plus 1, 3. A minus b, this is perfect square a minus b, and we know it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we take a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we write minus b, this term, and into a square minus 2ab plus b square. When we multiply this a with this expression, we get a cube minus 2a square b plus a b square minus b a square minus minus plus 2a b square minus b cube. A cube minus 2a square b plus a b square. We commute this term and write a square b plus 2ab square minus b cube. A cube, these two are like terms, and we can add them. We get minus 3a square b, and these two are like terms, we can add them, and we get 2 plus 1, 3a b square minus b cube. This is the expansion of a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. In our formula number 4, all the terms are positive, and in 5, these terms will have alternate negative sign: positive, negative, positive, negative. A cube minus 3a square b, same term, plus 3ab square, same term, but here it is positive and here it is negative. Here arrangement is positive, negative, positive, negative. Minus b cube, we take minus 3ab common, here we get a minus b. Now we take 6a plus b plus c cube square. We can write it a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, a into a plus b plus c, plus this b into a plus b plus c. Now we will write this term c into a plus b plus c. When we multiply a with these terms, we get a square plus ab plus ac. This is ba plus b square plus bc. And here we have ca plus cb plus c square. Here first we write terms with index 2, a square plus b square plus c square. Now we write product, this ab and this is ba. AC, now we write here BC plus CB plus AC plus CA. A square plus B square plus C square. When we commute this term AB, it will become AB. AB plus AB, it will become 2AB. In the same way, BC, after commutative law, it will become BC. This will become 2BC. 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. And this is our last formula. These are very important formulae. Memorize these formulae and you should also be able to solve in this way. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.